2025 Toyota Tundra. We're gonna take the sweep out of this one to tin it today. So let's get right at it. I'm gonna drop the seats here. Maybe you just wanna pull this little tab off here. All right, next you're gonna wanna drop the window, come over here to this side. You're gonna pull back on this little tab here and lift up. Don't lift up too high. You wanna slide it out. And there you go. That's the sweep out. All right, now we got the sweep out. We're gonna start to clean the window here. Gonna get all the crap off of it. Now that we scrubbed it, I'm gonna hit it with paper towel. And squeegee it off. We're gonna spray it down. I've got to grab our phone. My film's on, you want to spray it down? Squeegee your own. Alright, we're all squeegee down. We got dry edges. And roll it up. Dry your bottom. After you dry the bottom, you just gotta put the sweep back in. Same way you did before, just in reverse. Put that side in, slide it all the way back. Good to sit in that track. Pop the panel back on. And there it is.